Hey guys, it's Rylan
and Addie
from the Rylan+Addy File. So today we're going to be showing you a room tour of the first house. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so that you can see the second house room tour. So to get started, I just would like to, talk about things. So me and Addie have shared a room in two different houses. So this is the first house that we share a room in. So yeah, this is the first tour since I'm here today. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Okay. So first thing is right here, the vanity desk. We got crown case, photos, bag, all that good stuff. All this.
So here is all of our skincare. We have some makeup wipes, my wallet, my earpods, some pictures, crown box,
The Polaroid,
lava lamp, a
jewelry
box as little angel and a teddy bear. Picture of a baby. That stays there.
Okay. And then
today is going to be awesome.
Okay. So this is our get ready station. Hey. Okay. So we have the trophy that we've won from pageant. Well, that she's won. Mine are at the second house. Addie's spirit stick, personalized and everything. My little tea lamp.
My name, Addison.
Because this is technically her room, but we share a room, so.
Yeah. We might be getting another one made. We're gonna get another one made for her.
Yeah,
so she can have one too.
Mine is at the other house. Yeah, the tea lamp, all of our decoration, our ice, phone mousse, hairbrush, another trophy.
And then on the back of this trophy, there's something cool. There's a bunch of medals that, we won from cheer and stuff.
Yep.
Oh, also, if you're wondering what these are the,
just kind of pom-poms.
They're representative. They're representing what level you are in cheer. I got to a really high level. I lost half of them. I was in a way higher level, but I lost all of them, half of them when we were moving here. So there's that.
Okay.
Wait, one more thing. Then we have this thing. It says, I love Chicago.
Yeah, we love Chicago so much. And we actually have some family there.
Yes, our grandpa's there.
Grandpa and grandma's. So we have our clothes drawer. Kind of messy.
And the sea mug is vanity still. Then we have this pajama drawer / pants. More pajamas.
Tons of pajamas.
Even more pajamas. Even more pajamas. And finally some shorts. That's messy.
Skirts. There's one skirt. This is our bed.
Here's our bed. So at the front of the bed we have this Fortnite blanket.
And then we have our pillows. We have Piggy.
We have Mr. Piggy. We have Mr. Piggy. I love Mr. Piggy.
And Mr. Pug.
I love Piggy. And that's Mr. Puggy. He lost both of his eyeballs, but that's okay. And then on the top of it, it says Addie.
We have French fries.
Fries before guys.
Unicorn poop. And the laughing, crying emoji.
Oh, there's also a cool feature about our bed. Then we have this little nightstand right next to our bed. So we have some trophies that both of us won. I won this one, she won that one. Then we have our crown boxes.
Another crown box.
A bracelet, that means a lot.
Most of my trophies are at the other house and my name and stuff. Her photo, International Junior Miss Junior. School stuff.
Calculator, my school book.
Her school book. Swimsuits.
Socks, stuff. Books.
Or books. We will never run out of books for school. Okay. Welcome to the Bean Bag, where we chill and edit videos and react to things.
And punch poops in the eyes. Currently right now we ran out of our hangers because we have so much clothes combined. So we had to fold some of them and put them on our bean bag. So yeah. Then we have a tripod that we just got.
AKA found under a bed.
Yeah.
And then here's our closet. We're not going to show you guys it because it has some surprises for future videos. But this is our closet right here. And then underneath, we have our American Girl play area. Her hair is currently a mess because the dog chewed it up. So we're looking at a new wig or possibly a new doll.
And we have an American Girl doll closet. You know, the drill. Right below our vanities.
We also have other American Girl dolls that we play with and stuff. So
American Girl doll chair. I'm actually going to show you guys this part. So then we have the suitcase, which is right next to that big vanity. But the reason why we have this suitcase is because we went to our friend's house to spend the night. So we just pack one bag. And both of us really just share a bag. Kind of easy. So yeah, there's that. Then we have this humongous vanity. Get over here.
okay.
Rappa.
Rappa's coming.
This is our mirror, which I look in this every day to see how my outfit's on point. My outfit's not that on point right now.
Yeah, mine is.
Oh, by the way, today is the day this outfit is actually part of another video that we might be posting.
So you always gotta subscribe so that you never miss a video.
That's turn on post notifications.
And
then we have my track bag. It's really tiny. I don't know why.
Yeah.
That.
And then we keep our backpacks over here. Her school backpack, my school backpack's back here.
Then the cool thing about this is you think this is just a normal vanity. No, it locks. That's what's inside. Got my favorite ring ever. Like her earrings, poop emoji earrings. You know the drill. I lock it up every single time I'm done using it though. 'Cause I don't like anybody snooping in my business. Oh, the crow. That's our vanity. She's trying to put the jacket back on. Then we have all these trophies. I'm going to show you a little bit.
I'm just gonna block this.
Then we have way more trophies up there. Like this entire thing has trophies. There's just stuff covering all of them.
Yeah, that are for future videos. So we can't show too much.
You can't show too much up there.
Yeah, and then when you go to the other house for the house tour, there will be most of my trophies there. I have some of them here, and Addie has some of hers there. But yeah, so this is room number 1, aka house number 1. So thank you so.
One more thing. Also, guys, we might be doing a house tour soon. So, make sure to check it out. We might be filming a house tour today and, I don't know, posting it sometime. So, make sure to subscribe, turn on those post notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!